Evening guys, Wolfcraft have kindly sent me through this undercover jig to have a little look at and to do a little review on. So yeah, this is the kit. Get the jig, the drill bit, the driving bit, assortment of screws, obviously I've used some cover up dowels, Allen key, and your spacing collar, as it were. Now, to use the jig, there's a measurement along the side. You've got the stop gauge there, so you can position on the edge of your wood to find out the depth or the diameter of your wood. This one being 17mm. So, for 17mm, I personally would set it at 19. Make sure you get it into the clip and the locks. So that's that. Now, from my understanding is, the drill goes up through that hole and up to the step gauge here. Which I'm going to set about there, so it just teeters through, it just punches through the edge of the wood. Get your collar on. Sorry if I sound a bit bunged up, mate, I've got a bit of a cold coming. Tighten it up, and that should be that set. Now, you put this into your cordless, or any drill for that matter. Make sure it's up tight, and you want to put it on the top setting, not hammer but drill. As you can see, I've already had a go on it, so I know it works well. And get yourself a nice bit of wood, or whatever you're going to be drilling to do the pocket hole. Get yourself a nice clamp. This one just so happens to be a Wolfcraft. Clamp it down quite firmly. You don't want to go over too much. And then you just want to drill straight through and out again. So it leaves a nice hole, little pocket, I don't know if you can see that, for your screw to sit on, and it will drill right through. Let's get a scrap bit. Fit your driving bit. You don't want to set this full, because you don't want to punch right through. You get yourself nice and on there, nice and firm. Now I've used this bit a couple of times, as you can see, just to have a little go, and it works a treat. So, that was just a quick demonstration on it. I've kind of made this box in advance, or started making this box in advance. Now this thing is sturdy as can be, thanks to the pocket holes. Quick and easy to assemble. Beautiful. Highly recommend the Wolfcraft. It's a very versatile tool. Can practically take it anywhere. And also, if you do need to get it inside this stop gauge, you can just turn it around Now that thing can butt up inside. As long as you clamp it, you can drill from inside the counter or inside the unit. Highly recommend. And for the price of it, you can't go wrong. So guys, go and check them out. Wolfcraft. Lovely.